Hi, I'm Tom Ruller. I'm the director here at the New York State Archives. We have an enormous amount of legal material that we preserve here in the State Archives. We've talked quite a bit lately to the public about the recent acquisition of a large collection of historical court records dating from the 1690s up until 1847 that we brought up from New York City a few years ago. Courts require attorneys. Attorneys are those that represent plaintiffs, that defend defendants, and that bring cases before the court and argue those cases. Well, who were those attorneys? Who are the attorneys that help make the legal system work? Well, the courts keep lists of who the attorneys admitted to practice are. Well, here in New York, we've got a lot of famous attorneys. One, of course, is Alexander Hamilton and Aaron Burr. Were they admitted to practice law here in New York? Well, it turns out that we have the record and the records that document their admittance to the bar here in New York. I'm holding in my hand a scroll prepared by the court clerk of the New York State Supreme Court. Here we've got Alexander Hamilton's name, admitted in June 1782, and Aaron Burr's name, admitted in January of 1782, along with a lot of other names that you'll recognize. John Jay, Richard Varick, and a number of others. It's sort of like a who's who of the important folks here in New York around the time of the American Revolution. These records, and all of the thousands of boxes of court records that we preserve and make available, contain great stories about the people that made New York great. We're happy to make these court records available and hope that you will learn a little bit about what Alexander Hamilton and John Jay and Aaron Burr were doing to help craft the legal system that we enjoy here in New York. All of that is preserved here in the New York State Archives.